If you know, you know. 2026 RSQ8 by Audi. What I really like is they came up with 23-inch wheels. It's not 24s, it's not 22s, it's 23. Look at that caliper. Oh my God. You know this thing means business. Carbon fiber all around, just a sexy vehicle. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. So the cats are up there somewhere on each side. We didn't touch them. It's got secondary resonators there. First set of resonators, actually. Then we deleted the second resonator, which was a dual in, dual out resonator right there. So we put pipe in its place, stainless steel, and kept everything else the same. There's the valves on each side, and the stock muffler. It's a dual inlet, dual outlet on each side, muffler with valves on each side of it. One has valves, the other one doesn't. So for anybody that wants to know about it. And there's the tips out the back with the valve piping inside of them on each side. What do you guys think of that look of the tips? Should he change those tips or keep them like that? Let me know in the comments, okay? But there's the RSQ8 for your viewing pleasure. And there's a huge resonator that we just cut off. So hopefully it'll have a little bit of barble. We will see in a minute. So stay tuned, guys. 2026 RSQ8 with mid resonator delete. That one right there. Oh, it's different already. So idle, he wants, you know, at idle it's quiet. Can't really tell. Go ahead and give it gas. Is it in sport mode? We're gonna change it to sport mode so the valve's open. All right, try it now. Yeah, the valve's open. Again. Yeah, until we take it down the road. Again? It's a big difference already. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 98. One more? It's got a lot more barrel now. You want to do it? You sure? Okay. Turn it off. Guys, we're going to do round 2 now. We're going to take the front 2 resonators off too, so stay tuned. We took this one off, now we're going to take the second one off. Stay tuned. Guys, on this RSQ8, Audi's got some explaining to do. So this one is definitely a resonator, okay? You see the perforations, all that. It's definitely a resonator. It makes things quieter, okay? And it's huge and all that good stuff. All right, you guys see that? It has turns and everything. These are the front ones. They look like they're resonators, but they are a straight through pipe with no perforations, nothing. Audi, you got some explaining to do. Why? Why did you go through all this trouble just to put a straight piece of pipe right through it? What is the purpose of that? If anybody knows, let me know in the comments. What is the purpose of that? And it's not a cheap car either. It's on a brand new 2026 RSQ8. Please tell me why. I'm telling you guys, there is nothing in it. Look, here's the light. There's literally nothing in it. No perforations, nothing. And it's not small. What is the purpose of this? I'm dumbfounded, actually. I don't know. If you know, let me know. Let a brother know. Help me out. Audi engineers, explain this to me, because I'm confused. So, round 2, guys. RSQ8. Everything else stayed the same except what's under here. Let me show you. Cats are up here somewhere, all by the motor. As you guys can see, we took the 2 middle resonators that I was talking about. Straight pipe, but I was talking to ChatGPT about it, and it does change the sound. So let me know if you guys think it changed the sound. It is a straight through, but because it's chambered like this, or not chambered, it's got that casing on it, it makes a difference in sound, which is crazy to me, but okay. But there it is, we deleted it, and then we deleted this one too. And there's the old resonator. This one is actually a resonator, and it has packing and perforations and all that stuff. And it's massive, as you guys can see there. So we deleted that one first, and we'll let you guys hear it. Then there's the stock muffler with valves. So stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Round 2 coming up for your viewing pleasure. Should be quiet. No, it is in sport. It is louder. Oh, wow. It's louder than the first startup. That's interesting. Don't rev it. It's cold start, I guess. Right at 84. This isn't Sport Plus. Give it gas now. Rev it hard, Mike. It's a lot more barber. Let's see if it's in sport mode. Is it in sport mode? No, it's in comfort, right? Yeah, it's in comfort mode. Okay. It was on comfort mode before. Give it gas. Now it's in sport mode. So this is sport now. I bet you when it's only allowing us to rev to 3,000 RPM, guys. So I might go with him on a drive. We'll see. All right, go ahead and back it out. And again, guys, if you don't know, this is where we are in Nashville, off Dickerson Pike at 3560 Dickerson Pike. There's our phone number. Give us a call if you have any questions or concerns, or you want to come down, or you have any, or need advice or anything. Comfort. Let's see what it does. He's gonna put it in comfort mode for us now. See how much quieter it gets. Yeah, it got a lot quieter.
Yeah, that's good.
Go ahead. Yeah, sound stock.
Yeah,
Yes, because his wife drives it once in a while, so she'll be happy.
you're right. When it goes started.
Perfect. All right, let you guys hear on the inside. It's in quiet mode. So this is in sport mode, RS2 mode. Here we go. Here we go. Beast mode activated. Yeah, so much better than stock. My God, it's gone, dude. Look, it's freaking gone. I love it. You can hear the marbles too. It's not stopping. Did you see the brakes on it? The carbons? Yeah. All right, this is an RS2 mode, fully open. All 4 resonators taken off, or 3, but it's a dual in, dual out one. But here we go. RSQ8. God, what a beast. That's a beast. That's all he wanted. He wanted to hear the barbles. I gave him the barbles. I would want it louder, but he doesn't want it that loud, so I don't blame him.